and welcome to my channel. My name is Olga. I love to crochet. I crochet every day and every week I share a new video tutorial on my channel. You can find me on Ravelry. I do have a lot of designs there. I'm also on Instagram and I have an Etsy shop where I sell my crochet patterns. If you enjoy my video tutorials, please support my work by subscribing to my channel, giving my videos likes, leaving me comments. All of those things really help my channel grow. Thank you. I've created a lot of designs for Lacy scarves, and that's what my viewers seem to like the most. So at the moment I am continuing with the same theme and I continue creating Lacy scarf designs. And today I'm showing you a Lacy puff stitch design. It has only one repeating row, which is quite easy to remember. The Lacy fabric looks the same on both sides and has a light airy texture. To make this scarf I used 2 skeins of soft and shiny yarn by Loops and Threads and a hook size G 4.25 millimeters. My scarf came out about 70 inches long and 9 inches wide. And now I'll show you how to crochet this stitch. The starting chain must be a multiple of 5 plus 4. I start with 44 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here I have 44 chains and I'm ready to start my first row. Into the 5th chain from the hook I will make a treble. We never count the chain on the hook, we always start counting from the next chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So over here I make a treble, yarn over twice. And here is my treble. Now these skipped 4 chains count as my first treble, and this is my second treble. Next I make 2 chains, 1, 2, and I skip 2 chains, 1, 2, and into the next chain I work a single crochet, then 3 chains, 1, 2, 3, and into this same chain where I already work a single crochet I will work a puff stitch. So yarn over, I insert the hook and draw up a loop. Yarn over, I insert the hook and draw up a loop. Yarn over, insert the hook and draw up a loop. And now I have 7 loops on my hook in total, 6 over here and the one from the chain. Now yarn over and I draw yarn through all 6 loops. Now I have 2 on the hook. Yarn over and I draw through both of them. And that's how I make my puff stitch. Next I make 3 chains. 1, 2, 3. And I skip 4 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4. And into the next chain I make a single crochet. And now the pattern begins to repeat. Again I make 3 chains and into this same chain I work a puff stitch again. 1, 2, 3. And that's how I continue crocheting across to the last 2 chains. And at the end of the first row, again, I'm skipping here 4 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4, and I have 2 chains left. So I finish with a single crochet into each of the last 2 chains, 1 and 2. And the first row is finished. I start the second row with 4 chains and turn. These 4 chains count as my first treble. Then I make a treble into the second single crochet. So in the beginning of my row I will always have 2 trebles. Next I make 2 chains, 1, 2, and now I will be working into the top of this next puff stitch. So over here I make a single crochet, then 3 chains, 1, 2, 3, and into the same stitch in top of the puff stitch I make a new puff stitch, 1, 2, 3. Next 3 chains, 1, 2, 3, and I will be working into the top of the next puff stitch. I make a single crochet, then 3 chains, then a puff stitch, 1, 2, 3. And the pattern begins to repeat. 3 chains, 1, 2, 3, in top of the next puff stitch, a single crochet, 3 chains, and into the same stitch, a puff stitch. And that's how I continue crocheting all the way across to the last 2 trebles. And over here at the end of the row, again I made 3 chains, and over here I have 2 trebles, and I finished this row with a single crochet into each one of them. 1, 2, and the second row is finished. And from this point, all I need to do is to repeat row 2 for the pattern. I will always start with 4 chains and turn. These 4 chains count as my first treble. Then I make a second treble into the next single crochet. Then 2 chains, and into the next puff stitch I work a single crochet, 3 chains, and a new puff stitch. 1, 2, 3. Then 3 chains, and again I will be working in top of the next puff stitch. So note here that every row we start with 4 chains and a treble, so these 2 count as 2 trebles. Then we make 2 chains, and then we work into the top of the next puff stitch. And everywhere else in between these puff stitches you will work 3 chains, but in the beginning of each row it's 2, because we want to have a nice straight edge. And another thing is, note that we always end each row with 2 single crochets. So because we're repeating 1 row only, they will alternate. Like over here I had trebles, then single crochets, trebles, then it's gonna be single crochets. And that's basically how I work this beautiful lacy stitch. And here I work the pattern some more, and you can see how beautiful it looks. I have nice straight edges, and basically this is it. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for stopping by. I will see you in the next tutorial.